Hey, what's up guys? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and if you've been on YouTube for the past few days, then you know that the Note 10 5G, Note 10 Plus, and the Note 10 has just all been announced. With any press event that a company does, they're gonna tell you about the best features of the phone, and they may glaze over some features that may not be too sexy to talk about, but may impact the device greatly. But anyways, I teamed up with little homie, Suge Knight, Andrew Edwards, and we're gonna talk about 10 things that Samsung didn't tell you during the keynote. Okay, so number one, the Note 10 does come in many different colors, but not all colors are available for all models. So for example, this red color is only available for international buyers, and this blue color that I really like is exclusive to Samsung.com pre-orders and also some Best Buys. However, if you only want a very specific color, then talk to my sponsor Dbrand. So with Dbrand, these are premium vinyl skins and you can get the look you want on your phone. There are so many different colors and textures, and you can get something very unique to you. Hit my first link down below to Dbrand your device. And I know a lot of people are very keen on specific colors, and it's sort of a bummer that you can't pick whatever color you want from Samsung. If I had a choice, I would actually go with the red color. The red really pops, and I think it just looks very good. There are tons of other fun and unique colors that you could check out from Samsung, and I want you to leave it down below and tell me what color you can get if region or where you buy it from just didn't matter. Number three is that the Note 10 has a brand new storage method, and this storage method is what we saw on the OnePlus 7 Pro that sort of gave it its lightning fast performance. It's using UFS 3.0 storage, and it's a big deal. Taking a look at this chart, you can see the read speeds has increased significantly. And you may be asking, what does this mean for everyday usage? Well, anything that uses your memory, like accessing old photos will be going much faster as soon as you start flicking, loading up that game, that app, anything that uses memory directly on your phone. Although this does not jump out on a spec sheet, this is a very big deal when it comes to accessing old data. Number three, it has the ability to charge with a 45-watt charger. And this 45-watt charger in 30 minutes will give you all day's worth of battery life. However, inside the box, it doesn't come with that charger. It comes with a 35-watt charger, and the 45-watt charger is an additional $50. Regardless, 35 watts is plenty fast to charge the phone, and the battery life should be good enough to be fine. But if you want those really fast charging speeds like you see with the OnePlus 7, then of course you need to go with the 45-watt charger. And also the Note 10 standard actually is not compatible with that charger. You buy the new charger, the faster charger, and the Note 10 can't even use it. You have to get the Note 10 Plus for the faster charging speeds. Number four is Play Galaxy Link. This is an app you install on your computer and you install it on your phone, and this will allow you to play your PC games directly on your phone. It's streaming over the internet, so you need to have a fast connection for this to work. And a lot of people will say that, hey, I already have that, I have Steam Link, but this is for any type of game. So if your game is on Origin, your game is on something else, you could still use it and it's still compatible with the Galaxy Play Link. If this works out as they expect, this is really big. Imagine being somewhere else completely and still accessing your PC gaming library. That's huge. And number five is that the Note 10 does not have an SD card slot, but the Note 10 Plus does have an SD card slot. And to me, I think this sort of makes the Note 10 a little bit too expensive, and this is something I'll talk about in a different video, because the Note 9 is gonna be half the price really soon, and you have a headphone jack and SD card slot, and also a higher resolution screen, as the Note 10 only has a 1080p screen. Anyways guys, I will save all that stuff for a different video. So those were my 5 things that Samsung didn't tell you about the Galaxy Note 10. Well, Andrew Edwards has 5 more. So hit the link down below or click on the card right here to listen to his 5 reasons.